quick video here on how to use the brake hold feature in newer Honda models. Now I've got a 2024 Honda Pilot here, EXL, so if your interior looks a little different, that's what I'm working with. But this brake hold feature is very interesting. So it's basically used for heavy traffic situations. If you find yourself in stop and go traffic, you enable this brake hold feature and it gives your foot a little brake. So in order to enable this feature, all you need to do is press this brake hold button and this will pop up. I missed it, but you can see it here, brake hold, that is enabled. So you see that green light and you are good to go. So I'm in drive right now. I'm just going to take my foot off the brake and you can see I'm not moving. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap the gas a little bit. Get going here, 3 miles an hour. Now I will put my foot on the brake. I've come to a complete stop and you can see I remove my foot and we are not moving at all. So that's the brake hold feature you can use in these newer Honda models. Again, I've got a Honda Pilot here, but yeah, I have yet to use this, but I could see how it would be useful if you were in heavy traffic, you know, stop and go for like an hour plus. This would give your foot a nice break. Let me know what you guys think of this feature in the comments. Please hit that subscribe button and thank you for watching.